Good morning, students. I am Praveen Kumar, your science subject teacher for class 10th, BLS Center College. In this section of video, we are discussing the chapter physics and the first unit, that is light. Chapter name is light. Heading, that is light. The light is an electromagnetic radiation of a wavelength that is visible to the human eye in a range from 400 nanometer to 780 nanometer. Light can travel through vacuum. In vacuum and in air, speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Second heading, that is luminous bodies, those objects which emit light by themselves, called as luminous bodies or luminous object. For example, like electric bulb, candle flame, sun, star, etc. Second point, that is reflection of light. When a light travel in any medium, fall on the surface of second media, and light ray sent back to the first medium. This phenomena is called reflection of light. Or second definition, that is the returning back of the light ray in the same medium after striking with a bright and a shiny surface is called reflection of light. In this diagram, there it is a reflecting surface of plane mirror, and the upper section, that is the air, in which light ray are incident on the glass surface, and after reflection they are goes in same media from that they are came. And this diagram, there are diffuse surface, there are no reflective surface, so the reflection are not in a proper way, and this type of diffusion is known as diffuse refraction. The amount of deflected light is depend upon the nature of reflecting surface. A smooth and polished surface reflect more light. Next point, in case of rough and unpolished surface, reflected in all direction light is, and this type of reflection is called as diffuse reflection. And the next heading, that is mirror. A mirror is a device which reflects most of the light falling on it. And the plane mirror, category of mirror, that is first the plane mirror. And the plane mirror, a plain polished surface which capable to reflect light regularly, is known as plane mirror. Next point, a plain glass surface coated with silver and brightly polished, and the back of the silver side is coated with red iron oxide, is known as plane mirror. Mechanism of reflection. Reflection by a plane mirror. This is a reflecting surface, that is plane mirror, the A to B, the surface of a plane mirror, and point O, that is incident point, and O to N, that is normal on the surface of plane mirror, and the point P and O is known as incident ray, which is fall on the surface of plane mirror, and the ray, that is O to Q, is known as reflected ray, which is bouncing back after striking on the polished surface. That is angle I is angle of incident, angle R, that is angle of reflection, the point O, that is point of incident. The light ray PO is incident ray which fall on the plane mirror at a point of incident, and after reflection the light ray O and Q, that is reflected ray, bounce back in the same media, and line ON is a perpendicular to the surface of a mirror is called normal. Secondary laws of reflection. First law, the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incident at a same plane. Second law, that is angle of incident will be equal to angle of reflection. And the second type of mirror, that is spherical mirror. A spherical mirror is the part of a hollow sphere of a glass which have two surfaces. First, outer bulging surface is known as convex surface. Inner deep surface known as concave surface. In this diagram, we have cleared that there is the hollow spherical surface with the outer bulging part, that is convex, and inner deep surface, that is concave surface, where the point C is center of hollow sphere and R is the radius of hollow sphere. Spherical mirror are divided in two parts, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror. If polishing is done at the convex surface of hollow sphere and such that the reflecting surface is towards its hollow side is called concave mirror. In this diagram, we are clear that polishing or silvered or brightly bright surface are done on the convex surface, so it is a concave mirror because reflecting surface is inside on towards the center of hollow sphere. Next, that is convex mirror. If the polish is done at the concave surface of hollow sphere such that a reflecting surface is outward is called convex mirror. In this diagram, it is clear that the silvering is done at the concave surface, so the mirror is formed is known as convex mirror.